Hello and welcome to this third episode of How to Program a Clicker Game. In the last episode, we programmed that you can click the shop. Then also we added this shop, and then when you click it, you see here you can buy +1 CPS. Now, firstly, what we want to do is save this file as a new copy. We want to copy this project and name it Clicker Game Episode 3. So, first thing I want to do is, we don't know how much it costs to purchase this 1 CPS. I'll say because it's clicks per second, I'll say 50. So click into the clones sprite, click costumes, and there we are with our cat costume, but also with our +1 CPS costume. Now with the arrow keys, I'm gonna move this +1 CPS a little up, make this button larger, and then right here, I need the button to be larger, and I make the text also a little larger, like this. Now I need to make the button wider, and now this looks good. A little more down there now. So I wide here, cost, and 50 C, 50 cats, and make it black. And I think that looks good. Now, nothing happens when we click the cost sprite. The button, I mean. Now, there is the tricky part. We want to look in this when I start as a clone. If this clone is clicked. So, forever if and mouse down and touching mouse pointer. If that is the case, then we want, what do we want? You think now we would set a variable for, we'll set a variable for, we'll create a variable, and then when the button is clicked, we change the variable CPS by 1. That isn't that easy, because when we do that, it doesn't work. Because variables don't work like don't work with clones. So we need lists. We make a list and name it upgrades. And that is the important part. Leave it for all sprites, because we could use it for other sprites too. So now when the green flag is clicked, we delete all of upgrades, and now when the button is clicked, we insert the name of this costume name, and just and I think only this +1 is interesting for us, so we only need letter 1 and letter 2 of this costume name. So how do we do that? We join letter 1 of costume name and letter 2 of costume name. Put that in here, and we insert that. Actually, we can add that to upgrades. There we go. Now there's a +1, and sorry, I think also this CPS is we need it, so drag this costume name in here. So now we can code that in this sprite. So just when green flag click, forever. And now we check if length of upgrades is greater than 0. So there is items in the list. There are items or there is an item in the list. If that is the case, then we look at the item and then we need to, now we can make a new variable CPS for all sprites and show it. I position it here. Like that, and then we if and we always work with the first item of upgrades. If item 1 of upgrades is equal to, and copy paste this custom name with Control C and Control V. Oh, I messed up. Control C and Control V. There we go. If item 1 of upgrades equals +1 CPS. Actually, we can put that in this script. When that's the case, we change the variable CPS by 1. And we change cat by, and now we need to add a second thing in here, the cost. The cost for this is 50 cats. So, and make a add 52 upgrades here. So, and to ensure it is placed correctly for both checks, we can make a insert, and in both cases we want to insert it as 1 of upgrade. When we switch that. Oh wait, just make this and insert 50 at 2 of upgrades and insert custom name at 1 of upgrades. Now we change cats by, enter here -50, and we change cats by item 2 of upgrades. Now that is good. We just need to check here also that we can purchase the item. So cat is greater than 49. And if that is the case, then we can buy it and we wait until not mouse down. Let's try that. And before we try it, at the beginning we need to set CPS to 0. Very good. Now click shop, click the button, and yeah, nothing happens because the cost is more than the money with the cats we have. So now click. We just set cats to 50. And click it. Oh God, what is that? I know. After we change cats, we need to also delete everything of upgrades. Yeah, that's working. Now set cats again to 50. Click it, click the shop. Yeah, now we have 1 CPS. Set cats to a large number. Great, let me put the CPS here. That's better. And now click it. Yeah, it's working good. Now, something should happen when we purchase this CPS. When we purchase when we have more than 0 CPS. In the cat sprite, when green flag clicked, we forever change cats by CPS. And then wait 1 second. That was easy, wasn't it? Yeah, and now try it again. Click the green flag, then click the set cats to the large value, and now let's see. Can also now click the cat again, and now I can click this, and it works. Yeah, and I can click it again and again, and it works really good. Now you can also click the cat. Yeah. Now I think that is good. But we have 10 minutes. What can we do in these 10 minutes? I know. We can animate this button. Click in the cat sprite and look how we did it here. We changed size by 120. Subtract size divided by 2. So, first we can experiment with this size. Perhaps enter 140, 170. Oh yeah. And I think for my game, I like 145 for the cat. But now for the clone sprite. Click in the clone sprite and look at this script here. We have this mouse down and touching mouse pointer. Now we want is touching mouse pointer, and I want that it only moves barely, so I'll set size to, or what we did here, do here, no, we need to change size by divided by 2 by, I say, 110 divided by the current size. Then I think it'll be a cool feature when you can't purchase it already. It doesn't grow. Also make a if else out of this. And now in this if, pop this mouse down in, pop this scripts in, and in the else, change size by 100, subtract size divided by 5. Try that. And the cats are working. Now the shop, the button. I don't have more than 49 cats. Wait, let me click a little. Now. Yeah, it works. And also, did you see that now when I didn't have enough cats, it will grew back to its normal size? Cool, isn't it? So, that's it for this episode. This episode wasn't a long episode, only 25 minutes, not 30, because I didn't thought will be this fast. Now, if you have any ideas or questions, then then write them in the comments, and I'll try answering them. I try to answer them. Okay. Now also, when you can't speak German, on my German channel, I, uh, I didn't upload videos for for now I think already 1-2 months. So I want to sometimes when I have time upload again videos on the channel. I think on my German channel, I think of like 1 time a month because 2 videos every week are too many for me. Yeah. Also, I'm sorry that last week I didn't, uh, wasn't able to produce 2 videos because in the week before that week I didn't do any did a video. So in this week I tried in producing 2 videos. Yeah. Now that's it for today, like I said. Until next time, bye bye. Ah, wait. Also, we can try things like changing this size or this number here. You can try so many things. So go ahead and edit them and and link your project in the comments so I can look at it and comment it that if it was good. Okay, now really, until next week. Bye. Bye.